Where them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss. They are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So right about now, my people, me I tell us say, yo, I came across a story, my viewers and subscribers, and on a real level, I could never see this thing on my paper, this article here, and not talk about it, my viewers and subscribers, because it's a sad one, people, and it is where a female was cut down, my viewers and subscribers, a few days ago in Jamaica. And not just that, my people, is the manner and the way how them deal with this thing, my people, and how them deal with her, man. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. I feel it to my heart. You understand? It's sad, my people, if you know them take out a person's life, them take out a female life. But another sad part about it, people, is to tell you how the man them deal with it. Not even man, how the same thing them deal with it. How the, yo, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Attack them, NEWLINK, attack them. Yo, people, I'm going to read this article here, my people, because I never want to say too much personally before I read it. I want to read it, I want to listen, I want to hear the whole thing what go on, my people, because it left the father right now, if you mourn right now, because, yo, I never want to say it, my people, let me just read it. Jaja sees, Jaja know. Killing of Grace Kennedy driver leaves family company badly shaken. Multiple gunshot wounds, a slashed throat, and a plunked out eyes. That's the last image a 54-year-old father now has of his daughter after police described to him the state of her body, which was found in bushes last Thursday. The woman, 30-year-old Leona Kimmy Thomas, a driver employed to Grace Kennedy Limited, was killed early Wednesday morning while making deliveries in close proximity to her home in Windsor Heights of Windsor Road in St. Catherine. Strangely, it is an incident that remains low-keyed as far as reportage goes. Me can't sleep. Every time my eyes shut, it comes like a she, me I say. Me I jump up out of my sleep, and the police them tell me. Me and my son, we went down to the station and talked to them. Her throat slashed and her eyes them dig out, and she gets shot and them throw her in a bush, the distressed man told news. Me have the blood pressure and sugar, and me no want it lift me down. Me feel weak. Me no 100 right now. Me under pressure right now. At 2 nights now, me no sleep. Me head a hurt me. He continued. Thomas' body was found along Washington Drive in Windsor Heights. While being informed about the state of his daughter's body, the man told news that the police officers had to console him. The police them have to hold on upon me. Me no know something wrong, he said. Police sources from the St. Catherine South Police Division told news that it seems Thomas didn't make it home on Wednesday morning. The truck she was driving was discovered, stripped of all the goods and on the main road. This was a little distance away from where her body was dumped. Since the start of the year, 15 murders and 18 shootings were recorded in the division. Thomas' younger brother said he doesn't know how to respond. At this moment, I don't even know what to say. To be honest, she's a girl that I am sure now got trouble nobody. She is jovial and stuff like that. I don't know what to say, he told news. Moreover, he inquired as to why the family hasn't been able to identify her body as yet. The police said they are doing an investigation and then we will be able to identify the body. How long does it take for them to do their investigations? He questioned. Devastatingly, the father said he found out about his daughter's murder a day later in the most heartbreaking way. His phone rang Thursday even and he answered. A family member then asked him, "A chose Kimmy dead?" hitting him off guard and sending him into a wave of emotions. Devastatingly, the father said he found out about his daughter's murder a day later in the most heartbreaking way. His phone rang Thursday even and he answered. A family member then asked him, "A chose Kimmy dead?" hitting him off guard and sending him into a wave of emotions. "What you mean Kimmy dead?" he responded. Straight staggeringly, he said that was what spurred him to engage the police. The man told News that when police officers took him and his son to Thomas' home, the front door was locked. Her roommate was then alerted and she gave them access to the house. Inside, they discovered that a washing machine was stolen from the house, along with chicken that was left in the refrigerator and other items. It is suspected that criminals gained access to the house after taking a key from her body and after rummaging through the house. They locked the door and left with the key. Late Friday night, Thomas' roommate was accompanied by guardsmen personnel to the area to collect her belongings to go elsewhere because the home was deemed unsafe as investigation continued. The woman, who was referred to as Thomas' sister, told News, "We were living together. I don't know anything. The police don't give us no information and them not talk to we all now. They said they would call us and we are waiting on the call." Before she could continue, she broke down and said she couldn't speak on the incident anymore. Thomas' aunt told News that she was distraught up to Saturday night. When contacted, she said she was unable to fathom what had happened. She's supposed to do a delivery. She said, "I honestly don't remember the last time I talked to her. My head can't recall nothing now. I am out of it." Meanwhile, Thomas' father is adamant that his daughter was set up. As some funny play go on, she not even reach her yard and them kill her and throw her in a bush. It looked tricky. Dan Webby Group, Chief Executive Officer of Grace Comedy Limited, told News on Saturday that the company is deeply hurt by the loss. "We're extremely sorry and broken-hearted, and we have our security people really doing a proper investigation. We are very distraught and sad. We are extremely concerned. It is a very sad moment for us," he said. "I was in a meeting when I heard that one of our truck drivers was killed somewhere in Central Village and the goods stolen from the truck. I am really concerned about it." Webby said there are some sensitive issues that can't be discussed regarding the incident. However, he said all our trucks have panic buttons on them and it is not clear to us at this time whether the panic button was pressed or not, which is a big issue for us. Jaja sees, Jaja knows my people. And me I tell my viewers and subscribers, she was set up for real. No joke, same like how the father said, same like how the father preached, same like how I think, my people. She was set up. You understand? And it just sad for know, my people. You're out there doing your work, making a honest bread, my people. And for tell all these criminal wicked, all these perpetrators, all this, you know what I mean, people? And the manner how they deal with her. So basically, people, they torture her before. You understand? They do that. You know, they torture her. Maybe she never want to give up certain info what them want, my people. And they do this because if they can come, so people, look, you know, dig out her eye. You know what I mean? Bust her throat. Key her gun. A female, them a deal with saying, my people. A woman, you know, who is a driver of Grace Kennedy Limited. Them strip the truck, them say have everything, my people. They manage to go her yard, take out her machine, you understand? And all of them things there. So honestly, my people, when I look into something like this, they do this to her, my people, and basically some personal things that go on to. You know what I mean? So it wasn't like, say, a natural robbery where these criminals just plan, say, you know what? She a drive a truck, today we are going to go for her, my people. Some personal thing in this too. And somebody who was close to our people, who knew her good, involved into this. You hear me, as a people? Somebody who close to her, somebody who know her very well involved in this, my viewers and subscribers. No joke about it. Because from a look and see how them deal with this thing, my people, somebody close to her, somebody involved in this, my people. You understand? But as them say right now, the police are conducting their investigations into this, my people. And I want them to conduct their investigation. I want them to look into every crease, every corner of it, my people. Because something not right. Zane, the man them too cruel. The same thing them too hard. Let's take back that man, then you only cut you and come your back. Attack for uno, attack for uno. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, man. Imagine people them do all these people. Yo, so much thing. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Them strip it chuck. Them take out all the chicken out of the fridge them gone with. So how much mackerel and sardine, bully beef, sausage, lasco. How much things you get from out of Grace truck. Because if you not strip one load of Grace truck of goods, how much gross you get. You still go take out the chicken out of the fridge. You still take your machine. Uno nah no heart. What kind of sin thing uno be? What kind of planet uno job from? A must Mars, Mercury, or Jupiter can't Earth. Where uno job from? What kind of alien uno be? Eh? What kind of runkumpong, sunkumpong uno be? What uno nah no heart so? Uno do this to smarty data. Uno have family too, you know. Which me now wish nothing bad for the family, you know. Uno self, you know. A time I go catch up on, you know. Cause nobody believe that them are something wanna do, you know. Uno go just feel and this, uno go so easy. Uno feel so. Uno do this to pick somebody data. Eh? Yo, me a telling the man, some wanna sing thing there Jamaican man, you know want catch. You remember that song they were Chuck Fender do and say a big man like you understand? And he tell us again and lie. You think I drew up my people? That's so we need to do them. When we catch them and hold them, that's so we need to do them, my people. Because, yo, it is too much now, man. But I'm honest, yo, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. My people, big up on yourself and my viewers and subscribers. And I more love, more respect, and more blessings. As me can tell the people, it's a really sad one. And I feel it to my heart, my people. And just imagine what the family are going through right now. I know they are going through a lot. And as I can hear when the father speak up, my people, him feel it, the aunt feel it, everybody do feel it, my people, because it's a sad one. M0ST. My people, big up on yourself. More love, more respect, and more blessings. Thanks to the like, the share, the comment, my people. And please remember, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production, official attacking boss. Peace out, my people. Enough love. Just stay safe and just do the right thing, my viewers and subscribers. Big up. I'm out.